Good morning, everyone. You are listening to Kriti Singhal, your news anchor from Lavafara Media. Here we bring you the latest updated news of 13 June from around the world. Scientists at Hyderabad-based CSIR institution develop low-cost COVID-19 test. Scientists at Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology, Hyderabad, premier institution under Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, have developed a new low-cost and low-tech required test for COVID-19. Now some sports news. Chances of T20 World Cup improve as Australia set to welcome limited crowds at stadium. Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison on Friday hinted at the return of up to 10,000 spectators at sporting venues from July as the country races against time to be ready for the T20 World Cup in October-November and eagerly awaits a test series against India after that. SC asked DOT to reconsider Rs 4 lakh crore claims on PSUs, say demand impermissible. The Supreme Court on Thursday ordered the Department of Telecommunications to reconsider seeking Rs 4 lakh crore in past dues from non-telecom PSUs such as GAIL, saying raising such a demand using its verdict on dues of telecom companies were totally impermissible. Petrol price hiked by 57 paise per litre, diesel by 59 paise in 6th straight increase. Petrol price on Friday was hiked by 57 paise per litre and diesel by 59 paise a litre as oil companies adjusted retail rates, the sixth straight day of increase in rates since oil firms ended on 82-day heights of rate revision. Sensex stages comeback, ends 243 points higher at 33781. Nifty settles above 9950. Equity indices finished in green on Friday with the benchmark BSE Sensex rising over 2,000 points, led by gains in auto and finance stock. Interest on late filing of February-April GST returns held for May-July, deadline extended till September. In a relief for small taxpayers with a turnover up to 5 crore, the GST Council on Friday held the interest on delayed filing of GST returns for February. March and April to 9%, provided the returns are filed by September 2020. Now some politics news. Rajya Sabha elections, Ashok Gehlot accuses BJP of horse trading. Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot on Friday accused the BJP of indulging in horse trading for the Rajya Sabha elections and said that Congress candidates will emerge victoriously on 2 seats. Exempt tech workers from proposed visa restrictions in US. IT industry body NASSCOM on Friday sought exemptions for technology workers from restriction that may be imposed in the US, saying such staff is playing an essential role in keeping critical infrastructure operating in America. COVID situations horrendous, horrific, pathetic. SC slams Delhi government. The Supreme Court on Friday slammed the Delhi government on news reports showing deplorable conditions of medical wards in Delhi, where dead bodies were not only found in wards but also was found in lobby and waiting areas. Kriti Singhal will come with new updated news tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.